Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about hair fall with grey hair. Nowadays everyone is suffering with the hair fall. It may be the children's, it may be the adults, it may be the middle-aged people, it may be the old-age people. Everyone is having this kind of problem nowadays. Why this has become an universal problem? Of course, you should give an clock to it if you are suffering with the hair fall. In one household, at least there is one person who is suffering with the hair fall. You may be doubting why. Because you eat the same food as them, you take the bath with the same water as them, you use the same shampoo as them. Everything is normal, right? Then why you are suffering with the hair fall? Actually, I had also been one of the person who has suffered with the hair fall. So I know how much it hurts when we have an hair fall. The two girls, boys, everyone, even the children who are having hair fall nowadays. One thing is that the hair fall happens because it does not have specific cause. It has thousands of causes. We cannot rule out that it is because of this only. Only thing we can rule out is most probably it may be because of this, and we can try to change that, and after that we will be able to what may be the cause. Before that, we'll know if you are really suffering with the hair fall, if you are how to really kind of rule out that you are suffering with the hair fall. Falling off hairs at least 10-20 each day is normal, but it is more than that, or you're spotting any bald spots and your hairline you can see, and there is some partition in your hairs, or your hairs has becoming so thin it was not the regular thing, or the hair growth is not seen like that, then you can really kind of think of you're suffering with the hair fall. Some people has so much of gray hairs with the hair fall also. We'll talk in the next video about gray hairs. First we'll be talking about hair fall. Okay, what may be the cause? Nowadays the females are really facing, because of PCOD, thyroid hormones issues, the hair fall has been more. How you can correct it? By correcting your PCOD or thyroid, anything. Then some people in the winter, why they are really kind of facing the hair fall? It is because of the dry scalp. In the winter, almost 50% of people say that they are suffering with the hair fall, because dryness is one of the factor, because in the winter there is coldness and we stop drinking much more water, but our dry skin is so dry. Because of the dryness, the roots get very weak and they fall down. With dryness, some people also kind of notice so much of dandruff also, but you should rule out what is the thing. Why it happens in the children's? Because nowadays the children's are into the junk foods and they're not eating the nutritious foods. Because of the vitamins, minerals insufficiency, they go into this kind of thing. But you can also correct it by giving them healthy food, and also kind of asking them to follow the things which they really kind of not okay with that. Then we'll go on to the what may be the male pattern baldness. It's because of hormone changes, and it's also kind of because of increased stress level, or because of androgen hormone, or because of low testosterone hormone, or it may be because of the stress or the tension which they are going through. Nowadays everyone is under so much of stress, pressure and everything. Some people who are having erectile dysfunction also suffer with the hair loss. So you should be ruling out what are the causes. The first cause for the hair fall is the hormones. If you correct your hormones, then everything will be okay. So what are the things you should do? Eat an balanced diet, meal or a nutrition of which is full of nutrition, and you should take enough of green leafy vegetables, and you should also kind of focus on what are you eating and what are the things which you are doing, like physical activity, and how you are coping up with your work, stress and everything. If you are able to do that, then it will be okay. Now we'll move on to how to control the hair fall. Of course, the hair fall does not come one day like a fever. Yesterday you was not having fever, today you got high fever. No, it's not like that. Hair fall comes gradually, so it goes gradually. If you are thinking that if you are going to take the medicine today and tomorrow your hair fall will be gone, no, it takes at least 15 days or 1 month to be really kind of to make it okay. What are the homeopathic medicines which are really helpful in the treatment of hair fall? I had already said all type of causes. So according to these causes, some are homeopathic medicines which are really helpful in the treatment of hair fall. So now I'll be talking about that kind of homeopathic medicines. If you are into homeopathy and if you have taken that, it is best. Before going to internal medicine, homeopathic medicines, first I'll explain external. Echinacea. If the Echinacea Q means mother tincture. If the patient is also having dandruff with hair fall, then we give it Echinacea Q to apply it with the oil. 10 drops with the coconut oil. Apply it, wash it off. That's all. Some people also kind of ask us, means give us something to apply with the oil. I gave the Arnica montana because it is also one of the best for the hair regrowth when they are having thinning of hair. That is also mother tincture. Internal medicines is different, external is different. External is optional, internal is must. The number one homeopathic medicine which are really helpful in the treatment of hair fall for the girls is Natramure. I give the Natramure for everyone who is suffering with the hair fall, if they are women or the girls, especially school going girls. Falling of hair after the childbirth, after the delivery, if they are having this kind of hair fall, then Natramure. Hair comes out in excess while combing. And the patient who is suffering with hair fall when there is anemia or any other kind of thyroid disorders, you can also think of Natramure. Next one is Ferrum Phos. Hair fall from the head due to the anemia. Ferrum Phos is iron deficiency anemia. Then you can give the treatment with the Ferrum Phos 6x also you can give, 6ch also you can give, or potency wise also you can give. Calcarea Phos. Falling of hair in bunches on combing is cured by this remedy. Acid Phos. Falling of hair after an exhausting diseases, hair fall from the head, eyebrows, eyelashes, etc. Acid floor. Falling of hair after the typhoid fever. Nitricum acidum. Falling of pubic hair due to syphilis or gonorrhea. Selenium method is given mostly for the males, useful for falling of hair if needed for all men. Lycopodium. These remedies are also useful for the falling of hair in nursing mothers and also for the men. Lycopodium is also useful for graying of hair at younger age. Tuja. Use this remedy when the hair grows slowly and splits after growing. Due to the split ends and hair fall, you can give Thuja. Use it as a general remedy for falling off hair. Vinca minora. Use of this remedy causes matting of hair together after a head wash. Sepia. Use this remedy stops falling off hair during pregnancy, after childbirth, and during nursing a child. Sulfur. It is useful for falling off hair in nursing mothers. Next one is selenium meth, useful for falling off pubic hair. Next one is calcarea carp, falling off hair due to dryness of the scalp and dandruff. Arnica, any kind of hair fall, you can also give it. And these are some remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of hair fall. If you have any kind of recommendation, please do comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon.